Hi everyone, today I'm stoked to share a game-changing feature from Wealthy Affiliate Hubs. It's been a total game changer for my blog. If you're like me and always on the lookout for ways to boost efficiency and create killer content, you're in for a treat. So let's dive into the world of Wealthy Affiliate Hubs and explore the My Writing Task feature. Now, before we get started, if you're not part of the Wealthy Affiliate community yet, trust me, you're missing out. Wealthy Affiliate Hubs is the hub, pun intended, for all things affiliate marketing, offering a comprehensive training program, website structure suggestions, and some powerful tools to take your online business to the next level. But what I'm really excited about is the My Writing Task feature. It's like having a personal assistant for your content creation. Within your Wealthy Affiliate dashboard, you'll find default pages like About Me, Privacy Policy, and Affiliate Disclosure to give your blog a professional touch. The About Me section even has a kickstart to help you share your story with the world. But that's not all. The integration with the website structure and organization tool is a game changer. You can seamlessly add article ideas generated from this tool directly to your writing task list. This keeps your workflow smooth and ensures you never miss out on those brilliant content ideas. Now here's where it gets really exciting. With a simple click on the letter J, you unlock access to Jaxi, a powerful keyword research tool. Jaxi helps you to discover keywords that can skyrocket your content to the top of the search results. It's like having a secret weapon to boost your blog's visibility and reach. In a nutshell, My Writing Task is the ultimate tool for bloggers serious about efficiency and effectiveness. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, Wealthy Affiliate Hubs has got your back. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description, join Wealthy Affiliate, and let's supercharge your content journey, your content creation journey together. Happy blogging. I wish you good health, wealth, and success.